Put it in his mouth. Feed Rowan for Mama. Feed him. Good job. Give Rowan a kiss. Oh, where's your brother? What's his name?
Dad.
His name is not Dad. What's your brother's name?
Well,
Ro. What's his name?
well,
Yeah. Ooh, that bruise on your head.
no.
Mhm. Baby man. Big feet.
Oh.